Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
The tempo of innovation in land warfare has accelerated to a point where armored vehicles are no longer designed as static products, but as evolving platforms. The modern battlefield demands systems that can absorb new technologies and remain tactically relevant for decades. The philosophy behind today's infantry fighting vehicles mirrors that of advanced aircraft. Resilience is measured not only by firepower and armor, but by the ability to grow with the times. This design ethos shaped the partnership between Sweden's BAE Systems and the Czech state company VOPCZ, supported by a wide network of local defense suppliers. Their joint effort produced the CV-90 Mk4, the latest generation of a platform first fielded in the 1990s and since proven in operations from Afghanistan to Northern Europe. Unlike its predecessors, the Mk4 was conceived from inception as an adaptable backbone, a vehicle able to host evolving software, weapons, and protection suites while maintaining a consistent base architecture. At the heart of the Mk4 lies a 1,000 horsepower Scania diesel engine coupled to an upgraded X300 transmission, delivering a top road speed of 70 km per hour and a range of up to 600 km. The vehicle operates with a crew of 3, commander, gunner, and driver, and accommodates up to 8 fully equipped troops in the back compartment. Enhancements in suspension and power management allow it to carry 2 additional tons of payload over earlier models, supporting heavier armor, electronic systems, and larger caliber weapons without sacrificing mobility. Firepower remains a central focus of the redesign. The CV-90 Mk4 can be armed with the proven 30 or 35 mm Bushmaster chain guns, or upgunned to mount the 50 mm Bushmaster 3, a weapon whose increased kinetic energy extends its reach against armored threats. The modular turret system integrates advanced sighting, hunter-killer target acquisition, and programmable airburst munitions. A NATO-standard electronic backbone ensures compatibility with active protection systems, advanced radios, and even unmanned systems, making the Mk4 less a single vehicle and more of a node in a larger digital battlespace. In May 2023, Czech Republic committed $2.2 billion for 246 CV-90 Mk4 IFVs, marking the largest Czech procurement of modern armor to date. Initial batches will roll off Swedish production lines, while the majority will be assembled domestically, strengthening Czech industry. Deliveries are slated to begin in 2026, the first battalion converting in 2027, and full operational fielding expected by 2030. With 9 nations already operators of the CV-90 family, the Mk4 is positioned as Europe's benchmark for modular armored fighting vehicles. The British Army's experience in Iraq and Afghanistan exposed the vulnerability of light vehicles, such as Land Rovers and Humvees, and the limits of heavier platforms like Mastiffs and Boxers in highly mobile operations. The Jackal family of vehicles was developed to fill that gap, offering a balance between protection, mobility, and adaptability for reconnaissance and rapid assault roles. The first Jackals entered service as urgent operational requirements, tested extensively in Afghanistan. Their performance in harsh terrain and under fire provided direct feedback that shaped improvements in subsequent versions. Jackal 2 incorporated better protection and reliability, and Jackal 3 now builds on these lessons with upgrades in survivability, ergonomics, and mission flexibility. Jackal 3 weighs around 7,600 kilograms with a payload capacity of 2,100 kilograms. It reaches speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, 129 kilometers per hour, and has a range of approximately 500 miles, 800 kilometers. The vehicle is fitted with blast-resistant seating, a V-shaped hull for mine protection, and advanced suspension to handle rough ground while maintaining crew stability. The vehicle carries a crew of 4, including driver, commander, and 2 gunners, all with full combat equipment. Its modular design allows rapid integration of weapon stations, including 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, GMG automatic grenade launchers, and anti-tank systems. Open architecture electronics allow for future upgrades in targeting and communications. In 2023, the UK Ministry of Defence contracted Supercat and Babcock to deliver more than 70 upgraded Jackal 3s, with deliveries running from 2024 through 2025. Further options are already under consideration. These contracts ensure the Army retains a proven platform that incorporates battlefield lessons, balancing speed, firepower, and survivability for modern expeditionary operations. The war in Ukraine exposed how cheaply available FPV drones with HD feeds and modest explosive loads can shift tactics overnight. Forces now face an existential question: how to defeat ubiquitous, low-cost UAV threats without relying on defenses whose price tags outstrip the danger they counter. Saab's Nimbrix answers that problem. A compact, solid-fuel interceptor under 1 meter long and below 3 kilograms in weight, it is built for low unit cost and mass employment. Designed for repeatable hard-kill effects, Nimbrix is intended to be fired in numbers rather than to serve as single, expensive munition. The interceptor uses a high-explosive fragmentation warhead with airburst functionality, producing a lethal cloud to defeat either single or multiple drones. Guidance is provided via an active infrared seeker. Manufacturer cites RF seeker variants as options, giving fire and forget terminal homing across a roughly 2 to 5 kilometers envelope. Deployment is modular: tripod or pallet launchers for perimeter defense, vehicle-mounted pods for convoy and patrol, and containerized magazines for base protection. Multi-tube pods support rapid staggered or simultaneous launches and, when tied into radar/C2 nodes, enable coordinated multi-target engagement against swarms. Saab reports prototype-level testing and aims for initial deliveries around 2026. No public, firm export contracts have been announced yet, but interest from European customers is strong and local production or assembly options are being discussed to simplify logistics. Smart Shooter, founded in Israel in 2011, develops advanced fire control systems that merge electro-optics, AI-based image processing, and real-time ballistic computation. Its goal is to enhance precision for regular troops, not just elite marksmen. Within Israel's defense sector, the company stands out for transforming small arms into digitally assisted precision weapons. The rise of low-cost aerial drones has changed infantry warfare. These threats can hover, scout, or deliver explosives, making them difficult to counter with standard rifles. Conventional sharpshooter training is time-consuming and exclusive. To raise the baseline accuracy of general infantry units, Smart Shooter designed a solution that minimizes training demands while maximizing hit probability. The SMASH system is a compact sighting and fire control module mounted on the Picatinny rail. It integrates day optics, thermal or night vision sensors, a video processing unit, and a ballistic calculator. A key feature is the trigger actuator, an electromagnetic solenoid that delays hammer release until the weapon is perfectly aligned. This ensures first-round accuracy against moving targets. Tested extensively with rifles such as the M4 and other NATO standard weapons, SMASH systems allow operators to lock onto targets with a digital reticle, track their movement, and engage with precision. The system calculates range, trajectory, and shooter stability, compensating for human error. It reduces wasted ammunition and increases lethality in both counter-drone and ground engagements. The U.S. Army has procured thousands of SMASH 2000+ systems for counter-unmanned aircraft missions. Additional contracts were signed with India and several European nations. These are operational units, deployed with active forces. With deliveries ongoing, smart shooter technology has moved beyond prototypes and demonstrations, proving reliable in live operational environments worldwide.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.